Hey, how's it going? Very trying times we're in. I thought it would be fun to just pop on here today and try something new. But before we get any further, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. I am super excited about today's video, and let me tell you why. I've seen them all over Instagram, I've seen them all over Facebook, but I've never tried them because I'm like, I don't want to spend my money and, hate them. But today I am going to be trying magnetic eyelashes. Now, this was sitting in my P.O. box for, I don't even know how long because I didn't check it for the longest time, but this brand up here, I'm going to say it as Viciley. I hope that I am not mispronouncing it, but Viciley Cosmetics was kind enough to send me their magic eyeliner and eyelashes kit. It has 5 pairs of eyelashes, 2 magic eyeliners, and tweezers. And I left it in the package so we could do it together. I have my little eyelash, well, they're cuticle scissors, but I use them to cut my lashes. Not my lashes, like fake lashes. All right, so let's see. Oh, she's cute. Very nice. What lashes? Wow. Ah, I dropped the tweezers. That's all right. Wow. So a very nice variety. These are obviously long and glam, and then we come down to the more natural looking lash. Okay, let me pick these tweezers up. And there's the sticker on the eyeliner says, before use, shake the liner pen and press the tail button until it clicks. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the liner infiltrates the tip. Okay, so the 2 eyeliners in the kit, there's a transparent one and a black one. The black one is for if you want black eyeliner, and the transparent one is when you don't want it to look like you have eyeliner. So I imagine you would just do like a little normal line on top of your lashes, and it's transparent so you shouldn't see it. All right, so now that time is up, I am going to swatch both of these on my hands, but first we give them a shake. Okay, all right, so let's try, this is the transparent one, so it has a white felt tip. Okay, yeah, there's definitely stuff coming out, so it looks like a white streak. That's, where am I? Right here, that's it on my hand. Okay, so it turns out I read this little card wrong. It says, apply the black eyeliner directly for more dramatic eye makeup, or apply the transparent eyeliner before using the black one for more natural eye makeup, or, sorry, I'm out of focus, excuse me, apply the transparent eyeliner only when you want to use the black one. So you're not supposed to use the transparent one by itself, but I feel like I don't know why you couldn't. I'm not really sure. So I'll do, so it dried transparent. You can't even see where it was on my hand. You see like that little shine, that line there, that's where it is, but it's totally clear. So now I'm gonna do a line right next to it of the transparent liner and the black liner. The swatches are kind of terrible. So you can see, let's get the right light here, the right sheen. Okay, perfect. So you can see that's the transparent one. The middle is the transparent and the black, and then this big blob over here is just the black. So honestly, it doesn't really make too much sense for me. Like if I'm wearing black eyeliner, I want it to be black. And if not, then I usually go with a dark brown. So I am going to skip out on the transparent liner because it does say that you can just do the black. And the next thing that I have to do is pick out what lash I want to go with. I don't want anything like really super crazy right now. Okay, so they come off just like a normal strip lash would. I'm gonna see if this will just stick to my hand right now. Oh my gosh, it kind of is. Oh, do you guys see this? Holy crap, I can't, my screen is backwards here. It is on my hand, it's standing straight up. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look, oh my God, I'm gonna try and take it off. So weird. Okay. All right. Okay. Enough messing around here. Okay, so there is a line of eyeliner on. Of course I would do the wrong lash. Jeez, come on, come on. So pick up the correct lash. Here are the tweezers that come with it, and I'm gonna pop it on my eye. Oh my gosh, they're on. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, that is so easy. Holy crap, let me do the other eye. Freaking out. That's insane. Oh my god, they totally work. And they look good. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, my mind is kind of blown. I did not think that I was gonna like these as much as I do. They seriously look so good. Yeah, that's like not, holy crap. Gone. Okay guys, this was a serious win. I am so happy that I was sent these. I will definitely be using all of them. This is so cool. The only thing that I'm not in love with, which just could be user error, is just kind of how stiff that this one feels. It does say that the tip...
I'm on it.
Excuse you?
Hello?
Something's up. Bye, Siri. Now I feel like I have to whisper my outro. I will leave this kit listed down below, or you can just search it in Amazon. Again, the brand is Viciley Cosmetics, and this is their Magic Eyeliner and Eyelashes kit. So you get the 5 lashes, the 2 eyeliners, and I almost dropped the tweezers again. The tweezers. And it's only $18.99, which is an incredible price, because there are some lashes out there that are like $30 and you don't get the eyeliners, the other pairs of lashes, and a pair of tweezers. So wow, what a deal. Thank you so much to Viciley for sending me these. This is awesome. I love them. Holy moly, they look really good. The only thing I didn't love was just the feeling of the eyeliner. It almost kind of felt like dry and chalky while I was putting it on. So it's just something to work around. It's not terrible. It's not the worst eyeliner that I've ever used. But it's just a little difficult to get a nice, thick, dark line just because of it. Almost, I don't know. I don't want to say it was streaky, but I did go over it 1 or 2 times before putting the lash on, but it obviously is very black, so it's fine. I'm not mad about it. That was just my only little about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. I'm having fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't stress out about anything in your life, girl. Take it easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.